Tired of your AirPods suddenly lowering the volume just because you coughed or someone nearby started talking? It's a cool feature, but so frustrating when you don't want it. This video shows you exactly how to disable conversation awareness on AirPods in just a few taps. Hey everyone, I'm Anna from For Real. If you've ever been in the zone, enjoying a perfect playlist or an intense podcast only to have the volume automatically dip because of some background noise, you're definitely in the right place. It's designed to be helpful, but it can be really distracting. But it doesn't have to be that way. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the fastest way to toggle this feature on and off, giving you complete control over your listening experience. But first, what exactly is conversation awareness? It's a clever feature Apple built into the AirPods Pro 2 and newer models. It uses the device's microphones to detect when you start speaking. When it hears you, it automatically lowers your media volume, reduces background noise, and enhances the voices of people in front of you. It's fantastic for a quick chat with a cashier without having to take your AirPods out. The problem is, it can sometimes be a little too sensitive. It might trigger if you sing along to your music, clear your throat, or if you're in a noisy environment with lots of chatter. That's why knowing how to quickly turn off conversation awareness is essential. So, let's dive in. Okay, step 1. We need to open the control center on your iPhone. This is the quickest way to access core settings without digging through menus. If you have an iPhone with Face ID, that's most modern iPhones, just place your finger at the top right corner of the screen where you see the battery and Wi-Fi icons and swipe down. For older iPhones with a home button, you'll swipe up from the bottom of the screen. This panel gives you instant access to all your key shortcuts, and the one we need is right here. Step 2. Now that you're in the control center, you'll see a volume slider. It probably has a little icon of headphones or AirPods inside it. The trick here isn't to just tap it, but to press and hold it. Think of it like a right click. This will open up a bigger, more detailed view with advanced audio options for your connected AirPods. By the way, if you're finding this tip helpful, do me a quick favor and hit the like button below. It takes just a second, but it really helps the channel and lets me know I'm making useful content for you. Thanks! Step 3. All right, you're on the final step. On this expanded audio screen, look towards the bottom. You should see a few buttons. The one we're looking for is labeled Conversation Awareness and has an icon of a person with sound waves coming from a speech bubble. If it's highlighted in blue, it means the feature is active. To disable it, simply tap that button. You'll see it turn from blue to gray or white, and the text will change from on to off. And that's it. Your audio will no longer automatically lower. You've successfully managed to turn off conversation awareness. You can come back here anytime to turn it back on just as easily. Now for a quick pro tip. While the iOS Control Center is the fastest way, you can also find this setting deep in your main Settings app. You'd go to Settings, then Bluetooth, tap the little eye icon next to your AirPods, and scroll down to find the toggle. As you can see, it's a lot more taps, which is why I love the Control Center method for a quick change. Also, right next to the Conversation Awareness button, you'll see your controls for noise cancellation and transparency mode. It's a great little hub for managing all of your AirPods' smart audio features in one place without ever leaving the app you're in. And there you have it. You are now the master of your audio domain. No more frustrating volume drops when you're trying to focus or relax. You know exactly how to disable conversation awareness on your AirPods quickly and efficiently, giving you the power to choose when you want to engage with the world and when you want to tune it out. If you found this tutorial useful and want more simple tech tips to make your life easier, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Give this video a thumbs up if it helped you solve this annoying problem. And let me know in the comments, what other AirPods or iPhone feature do you find confusing? I might cover it in a future tutorial. Thanks for watching For Real, and I'll see you in the next one.